Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts and hello from Tiny Arm. Today we are planning in my Pocket Traveler's Notebook for the week of November 18th through the 24th. I'm using a Hobonichi Weeks kit and a B6 kit from Shine Sticker Studio, and they are both Thanksgiving themed. So some of the colors in these kits match, some of them don't. I kind of combined some of the ones from the B6 kit to work with the Hobonichi Weeks so that I could stretch a couple weeks out of it and have more decoration, which is, as you all have guessed, my favorite thing in the whole world. Now, I am getting this out of my little Christmas pocket. You guys, I had so much fun, and this is making me smile so much. I just love it. And my little pocket notebook is from Mystic's Little Gifts. You guys know this. And this little notebook was from Happy Scrappie. And I am using it as a weekly notebook, like a weekly snapshot of what I've got going on. Mostly things that have a time attached to them. And I am so excited to use these cute kits because look at, they all have like Thanksgiving puns, like mash made in heaven and you're gorgeous, like gourds. I love it. And they're kind of pumpkin pie themed, which is funny because I hate pumpkin pie. Not a fan. I hope that's not as divisive as my banana Laffy Taffy comment. I'm just all up in here causing problems. I guess the one thing they say you shouldn't talk about, religion, politics, and your food preferences. Well, I am Christian, I freaking hate Trump, and I don't like pumpkin pie.
And there goes the last of my subscribers!
It was fun while it lasted. So anyway, I'm just trying to find matching washi tape because there was two little decorative things on the Weeks kit, and I kind of thought I could tie them together because they had pie on them and leaves. And then a few of the boxes on the Weeks kit had that light blue color and the kind of purplish color. So I thought we can make this work. We can combine them and make it sort of a fun rainbow of Thanksgiving. Next week will probably be more of the stickers from the B6 kit, obviously. But, you know, we're just trying to be thrifty around here. So I really loved that little sticker. You want a piece of me? Come get it. Come get it, man. And then I'm using the little stickers from the Hobonichi Weeks. And I used some of my red washi tape to make a little accent because I just liked it. I just thought it looked nice. It's in retrospect, maybe a tad not the right shade of red, but I still like it. And so I'm going to stick with it. Plus, I'm already done and I'm doing the voiceover. There's not much I can do about it now. And then I'm using this blue. That's from a Maste Wamon washi tape set that I got on Amazon. And I just wanted to bring out, like tie in a little bit more of that light blue color, that kind of tealy blue, and I thought it matched well. So I made a little background for my weekend banner to put down the middle of my Saturday and Sunday boxes, and I really like how that turned out. I thought it was cute. And then I'm using my I always call these pens the wrong name every single time. Pigma Micron, and it's in an orange color, and I like it. And then I'm combining boxes. I'm using boxes from the B6 kit and from the Hobonichi Weeks kit. Like I said, it's kind of a smattering of colors, a schmezzering of colors that I'm trying to make work. Because as you can see, the bottom background of that banner is sort of purple. So there is some purple, and then the light blue, and then some green. Like I said, we're just going all the things. And then that bow is a leftover from another, maybe like my Stars Apple Bottom kit, maybe, not sure. And then you guys know that I get all crazy up in here and I flip those to-do stickers over that are supposed to be lists in the Hobonichi Weeks, and I use them like to-do headers almost that kind of mark something that I have to do, just so that I can use more stickers, you know? Because if a sticker goes to waste, then an angel loses its wings. That is true. So there you go. And then my freebie sheets that I've ordered so many things from Shine Sticker Studio that I have an abundance of extra autumn stickers, and I wanted some Luna and Star in this spread, so I put Star with her little scarf, and then Luna and the coffee cup I put on Thursday. And I used one of those big stickers from the B6 kit on Thursday, and it was kind of like the rainbow of blue, yellow, red, so kind of liked how that tied in all of those colors, you know? It's wild, but I honestly actually think it works. And then I put the little Luna and the pumpkin, so I thought it was really cute. And then that pumpkin is from the little deco sheet that I got of the Woodland Creatures one that I did was that last week? Yes, now I'm writing in my things, and I'm just using the Pigma Micron in black. I'm recording that. I went to coffee with my mom and dad this morning, and then my mom and I went to Joann's to buy fabric for, she makes pillowcases for my kids every year for Christmas. It's just like, it's something they know they're getting, but they kind of pick the theme every year, and it's become a tradition, and it's super, super fun. So we're trying to pick really fun fabric, and it just, I'll show you guys pictures of them when they get made, but it's really cute. Fun tradition to start if you are a grandma or a mom or something, looking for fun traditions for your kids. Anyway, that was a wild tangent. I wrote in karate, and that Michael is off on Tuesday, and Wednesday I am volunteering for Henry's teacher at school at noon, and then the kids are out early. That's what the bow signifies. And then I have to go to work at 3. So that's a full day. And thank God for my parents, because they will watch my kids all afternoon, and I wouldn't put that curse upon anyone else. And then the big box on Thursday, the boys have a pack meeting, Addie has dance, and then Friday she's got her new gymnastics class, which is super fun. And then her little bestie's birthday party is on Saturday, and they're going to one of those little kids haircut places and they're having like a spa birthday party. How cute, how freaking cute is that? It's gonna be so much fun, and she's such a girly girl that she will love that. And then on Sunday, I'm just writing that at 1 p.m. she has brownie Christmas ornament making or holiday ornament making with her brownie troupe. And now I am sticking in more stickers to try and get them, use them all. To clean, because I will probably clean on Friday. It's kind of turned out to be a good cleaning day for me. And then some more of the autumn freebie leaves that are on those sheets that you get when you place orders. And then I'm writing in walk, I think, on my habit tracker, because I'm just going to try and get on the treadmill and take a few more walks every day. 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there. I think it's good. It's good. It's healthy, just do my little speed walking. And then I am slipping it back in my pocket notebook, and I love it. I think it looks really cute. It's kind of a wild rainbowy Thanksgiving. And well, if you know me, then you know that sounds like it's right up my alley. So I am happy that I've got this planned out so that I don't feel so wildly frantic in my brain, and I hope that you guys have got your weeks planned out and that it's going to be a good one. We can make it a good one, so let's do it. Bye, guys.